everybody, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to make a DIY pumpkin spice mixture. Literally the easiest thing in the world, but this recipe is so handy, especially during this time of the year, because there's pumpkin spice everything. And you can buy like pre-made pumpkin spice mix at the grocery store. Do they sell on Amazon? If so, I'll link it down below. But you can also make it at home. It's really, really easy, and you can make as much or as little as you like. And I'm actually using this base recipe and a ton of other recipes coming this month, so this is a good video to refer back to, just to use, I guess. Yeah, let's get started. So this is going to be the shortest video in the world. Literally all you need to do is combine some ground cinnamon, some ground nutmeg, ginger, and ground cloves, and you are done. So all the ingredients and everything are in the description box below, so definitely take a look there. And I'll see you guys tomorrow for an all-new video. Oh, and before I go, let me know what you are going to be making with this pumpkin spice mixture. What recipe are you going to be using it in? I'm so curious. Actually, this would also be a really, really cute gift if you like double or triple or whatever, quadruple the recipe, and you can like put it in a little mason jar or in a little like cellophane bag and tie a ribbon, and you can give it to somebody if like for like a housewarming gift or if their birthday is in the fall. I think that would be so cute, like especially if they're obsessed with pumpkin spice. So cute, and it's actually pretty cheap to make too. So yeah, anyways, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow for an all-new video. Bye.